Hi guys, it's me Giovanni, and today we're unboxing the Leatherface Sidestepper from Spirit Halloween. Now, this is a Halloween release from 2023, obviously Spirit Halloween. And it came alongside Ghostface and Chucky, but we decided to get the Leatherface one. Let me see if I could cut these things on it. Okay. Yep, that was actually easier than I expected. The box is nothing special, but although I do actually like the way the box looks. What's this? I think you actually have to pull this out. Okay. Now, let's see if this thing works now. Bye guys, subscribe.